Hey, this is Christoph with Carbon A-List, and today we're going to learn from CO2 Solutions.
Hi, I'm Evan Price, CEO of CO2 Solutions. Our technology captures CO2 from industrial flue gases. Let me show you how it works. Over here you find a setup, our mini pilot, that demonstrates the use of the equipment, very standard gas treatment equipment. So over here you have an absorption column. And over here is the stripper column. And so basically we run through this equipment a solvent that contains an enzyme. It's carbonic anhydrase enzyme. The same enzyme that all living organisms use to regulate CO2 in their bodies. Now basically we put the enzyme into a solvent and we run it through this equipment. When the enzyme meets the CO2 molecule, it captures it and absorbs it into the solvent. We bring the solvent over to the stripper side, apply a little bit of heat, and CO2 molecule is released in a reverse reaction. That's how simple it is. We can capture up to 90% of the flue gases from an industrial source of emission. And then we make this CO2 available as feedstock for a CO2 utilization technology, or it's sequestered underground, buried forever. The benefits of it are really twofold. One, by using the enzyme, this very efficient enzyme, one of the fastest that is known, we can reduce the cost significantly and run this technology with very low quality heat. So we use hot water, not steam, as conventional technologies do. The second piece is that it's environmentally friendly. There's nothing toxic here behind me. And what would success look like is to have many of these types of systems at different scales. We're drawing the CO2 from the sources of industrial emissions. So the IEA estimates that about 15% of the CO2 emissions of today will need to be handled by technology such as this.